Hey, what's up guys? Today we will talk about TacoCat token project, and we will also tell you how to buy TacoCat token in the last of the video, and its rank is 2981. Around 534 people have added it to the watch list. Its website is tacocat.co and its price is $0.0008568 and BTC is 5.67% high, ETH is 5.31% high, and low price is $0.000815, high price is $0.00093, and its blockchain is Binance Smart Chain, and this is contract address. After that we will come down, and this is its graph. This graph is continuously increasing and decreasing. After that we will enter $1 here, and in $1 we are getting around 1,16,000 TacoCat coin, and its volume is around $2,23,000. After that we will come down, and this is its description, we can read it, and its total supply is around 1 trillion TCT coin. After that we will open its website and click on tacocat.co. I have already opened this website, and we will talk about history of TacoCat token. And this coin is new coin, it has no history. This coin launched by TacoCat company. TacoCat token, the first of its kind cryptocurrency token. TacoCat token aim to bridge the gap between cryptocurrency and mainstream audience. That means TacoCat token fulfill the gap between cryptocurrency and mainstream audience. And this is current price $0.000855, and market cap is around $8.5 million, and one account a whole new worth. TokelD is your exclusive account connecting to all things TacoCat. Everything is linked to this, including the TacoCat token network, TacoCat social community, and TacoCat interactive products, making TacoCat the easiest cryptocurrency platform to use. That means TacoCat token basically focus on to build a community and a system to easily use cryptocurrency platform. And how the token works: 9% fee, 3% goes to liquidity, 2% to a marketing wallet, and 4% get distributed among all holders. That means TacoCat token charge 9% fee on every transaction, 3% goes to liquidity, and 2% marketing, and 4% distributed to all TacoCat holder. And whale tax fee double for selling over 2.05% of total supply. The discourage whales from trying to turn a quick profit. That means any one of them selling 0.25% TacoCat token of total supply, and transaction fee will be double for selling. And multi SIG means signature. The contract is stored in a wallet with a multi signature feature. If a charge shall be made, both owners have to sign off. That means every sender and receiver owner match the signature of wallet. More than just a token, a TacoCat brand is established, not just a token but a brand at the forefront of cryptocurrency innovation. Gaming, music, art, literature, food, sport, education, and so much more are possible with the power of a great brand. The potential is limitless. That means TacoCat established as a brand, not a cryptocurrency, and TacoCat focus on gaming, music, art, literature, food, sport, education, and so much more. And we can join on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, Telegram, and other social media. And future of TacoCat coin, if we talk about its future, and most of the coin are scam. If you want to invest in it, then invest only $1 or less in the beginning. If this coin perform good, even after 1 month you can invest in this coin. And this is my personal opinion. Be careful, invest in cryptocurrency at own risk. So now we will give you to tell what is the process of buying it. and we will download Trust Wallet app in our mobile phone, and we will open Trust Wallet, and Trust Wallet has been opened. After that we will create account on Trust Wallet. And if you do not know how to create an account on Trust Wallet, you can watch our video, link in the description. After that we will add money in the Trust Wallet, and we will click on buy button and select blockchain. We will select BNB, and here we can add money in our Trust Wallet, and we can add minimum $50 in our Trust Wallet. After add money, go to home page, and we will click on DApp section. After that we will open PancakeSwap exchange, and PancakeSwap exchange has been opened. After that we will connect this exchange to Trust Wallet, and click on connect, and click on Trust Wallet, and this exchange connected successfully from Trust Wallet. After that we will select slippage, click on this icon, and here we can add slippage according to our token. After that we will click on select a currency, and here we can search coin using name or coin address. After that we will select a token. After that we will enter number of coin, here as many as we want to buy. After that click on swap, and click on confirm swap, and click on accept button, and finally click on confirm swap. And finally these coins will add successfully on Trust Wallet. So thanks for watching.